How to replace BMS headlight bulb easy method. Most people get this wrong, but replacing a BMS headlight bulb is much simpler than you think. You won't believe how quickly it can be done with just a few tools. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly. Remove the protective cover at the back of the headlight to access the bulb. Next, disconnect the wiring harness carefully. Press the clip and pull the connector away from the bulb. Remove the old bulb by twisting it counterclockwise and pulling it out gently. Take your new bulb, avoiding touching the glass with bare hands, as oil can shorten its lifespan. Insert it into the headlight assembly, twist clockwise to secure, and reconnect the wiring harness. Replace the protective cover and close the hood. Turn on the headlights to check if the new bulb works properly. Adjust aim if necessary using the headlight adjustment screws. The surprising truth is many owners unnecessarily remove the entire headlight assembly. Following this simple method saves time and prevents damage. In conclusion, replacing a BMS headlight bulb is quick and easy. Open the hood, remove the protective covers, swap the bulb, reconnect the wiring and test. This method works every time without hassle.